So in this video, you'll learn how to fix the missing secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So the first step is to open the Settings app, and then you want to scroll and select the option Security and Privacy. From here, look for More Security Settings and select it, then tap on Secure Folder. Next, enter in your lock type, whether it's a PIN, password, pattern, or fingerprint, and then you'll be able to access the secure folder settings. So if your secure folder is missing, it's because it's been hidden on your phone. So in order for you to restore it or to unhide it, just tap on this toggle next to Add Secure Folder to App Screen to enable it. And once it's been enabled, you'll notice now that whenever you go to the secure folder, either on the home screen or app screen, you'll be able to see it's been restored completely, which means that you can now access the secure folder from the comfort of your home screen or app screen because it is no longer hidden. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments about finding a missing secure folder, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.